because there's some kind of construction work is going on around here, and it says that the road becomes narrower as we go. Yeah, you could close the thing, Mama, if you want to know. You got it, baby? Okay, now I could put this over here. Oh, and I could put this. Yeah, crack it open a tiny bit, Mamita. A tiny bit. Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This Oreo. He came to me because I think he feels the need. We need to make the room back again clean to him. Was this over here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I forgot to take it to his Yeah, do you think he'll be okay like that?
Mm-hmm.
No, I think he'll think he's sitting on his diaper. Oh, but he lay on his diaper over there at home too, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Before, right? I don't know. Go to Mama. Is he okay?
See, Mama really nice.
Yeah. Oh, does he look like he's doing okay?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, and it's good that we start this diaper right here because I could take it back home. You know what I mean? I think at one point I brought it out from the house and I put it over here because I think I was going to do some work and I was gonna use it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's the more logical explanation that I have of why it's here. You know? So I think this is the end of the construction area. Right, Oreo baby? Yes. Yes, my baby? That's the end of the construction, right? Yeah. Yes, my baby, come with me. Yeah. And my princess, my daughter baby. Yay. Right, baby, Oreo? Yes, baby. Yes.
Come on, Oreo. Stay there.
Oh, well, it's not the end of the construction, but it looked like it's part of the end. Part of the end of it. And there's the New York Stewart International Airport. New York Stewart International Airport right there coming. That's what the sign says over there. That's what the sign say. Right there. That's the sign right there. Yep. Right there. Yes, I know the sign. The sign.
Don't put your brakes in.
Yeah, no brakes, no. That's why I stay. That's why I stay on this line because I don't wanna. First of all, I do not wanna go slow on that lane because that's to pass people. You know what I mean? And then he'll be like, yeah. Oh my Lord. Oh my God. My baby Oreo, I love you. Oh, now you're laying down. Look at him, Kayla. He's laying down. The baby's laying down now. Right, baby? Laying down. My baby's laying down. My baby Oreo. New City. Right here, this section, okay, Mama? Okay? Wow. Montgomery. Right here. Okay. Where's the gas?
Head northeast toward New York 17K east.
No, I'm not going
In a
down
quarter
here.
mile,
Going this way.
merge onto I-84 east.
Oh, yeah, there's a gas station right there. Kayla, I noticed the gas is cheaper over here than Wilkes-Barre. Did you notice that? I can't believe it. I could go. I don't have a sign, like not turn sign. I could go. And
Head southeast on New York 17K east toward Governor Drive. Continue on New York 17K east for 2 miles.
okay. Oh Lord, are you going to the bathroom, Mama?
Head
Yeah.
northeast on Homewood Avenue toward Tide Avenue.
Depends where we are. It looks kind of sketchy.
Head west, then turn
Why would it be
right.
sketchy?
It looks sketchy. The window is
You want sketchy?
sketchy.
You just go to the bathroom and that's it. We'll be done.
Turn right toward
My
Homewood Avenue,
princess.
I don't
then turn
want
right.
to pee in a sketchy bathroom.
No, give me the sketchy bathroom.
Turn right toward Homewood Avenue, then turn left.
Okay. Look at him.
Come on.
Okay.
You
Stay, baby.
Hurry up.
Stay.
You stay, baby.
Stay, baby.
Good
Stay,
boy.
baby. Stay, my baby boy. Stay, my baby boy. I love you. Stay, my baby boy. Stay, my baby boy.
Hi, baby.
My tank is spilling gas, and guess what? My light was hanging. My light, the one that hangs.
Oh, that one.
That one. Remember the one time you went over there and pushed it.
Yeah.
That one.
Yeah. So he doesn't see it.
Yeah, remember you pushed it so they could
So
give
we
me
could
the
pass it.
paper, my baby. Oh my God. Well, they don't got no
Turn
car.
right toward Homewood Avenue, then turn left.
We came from over there, right? Oh shit. Okay, let me back up, okay? Cause I gotta go this way. Oh shit.
You forgot you had the trailer, didn't you?
Yeah. Oh yes. We go this way. So we could get out that way. Baby, I'm back.
Turn right onto Homewood Avenue, then turn right onto New York 17K West.
Oh, was it right here? Oh, we came from there.
Turn right onto
So
New
we
York
would have been
17K
fine.
West, then turn right onto the I-84 East ramp.
Oh yeah, we were fine. We should have went there. Right? Yeah. Yeah, okay. I thought we came from this one. No. We came right there and then we came in here, right? Yeah. Oh Lord, yeah. Yes. And then right there it says 84 East. I keep trying to fix my car over here and I keep forgetting about it, you know what I mean? I keep forgetting because all I could do is put the
Merge onto I-84 East.
silicone around it, you know? But I keep forgetting. You know, Mama?